Hello, and welcome to the Sunshine Show. I am Jack, and today we have a special guest star, the Hall of Fame quarterback for the Minnesota Vikings, Brett Favre. Come on out here.
Where everybody go?
Over here. Brett, your helmet's on backwards.
Oh, that explains it.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Cool. So Brett Favre, you played for the Minnesota Vikings,
Oh yeah.
and you were a former Green Bay Packer.
Yeah, former.
And you switched to the Vikings, right?
Yeah.
And the Vikings are the Packers' arch nemesis, right?
Yeah. What about it?
Why are you wearing all the Packer stuff?
What are you talking about, Packer stuff? Wait, what? Who changed my outfit?
Anyways, Brett Favre was recently a Green Bay Packer, switched to the New York Jets for a season, and now has been playing for about a half a season with the Minnesota Vikings as number 4 quarterback. So it's been doing pretty good with you. I mean, they've kept up with the other teams at 10-2 right now.
Yeah, it's all because of me.
Right. So, about the football?
Yeah, I always bring my football. Hey, wanna play some catch?
No, you kind of have to get with the show on.
I brought the football to play catch. Now you're gonna play catch.
No, I'm good. Hey, fine, I'll play catch.
Ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna throw a fast one.
Alright. Oh!